Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing or adding a shipping address to the Facebook app. So if you're on Facebook Marketplace on the Facebook app on your iOS or Android device, and you're looking to add or modify your shipping information, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right. And you want to select or expand the settings and privacy entry in here and go down and select orders and payments. There should be a shipping info button underneath payment information. Go ahead and select that. And now that we are in here, you can go ahead and edit your shipping address by selecting shipping address. You can also add a debit or credit card up here. You can remove them too, so you have payment methods you can change. But anyway, if you go underneath shipping address, you go ahead and enter that in here or change it and then select save, and that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.